Hi, this is Dennis Hawkins in Japan. Welcome to another video. Relationship or rejection. Have a look at the Facebook Live I did. It will guide you right through what happens to create the relationship or to cause a rejection. Uncommon sense. When it becomes uncommon sense online to believe dropping an emoji or a one-word comment will suffice in opening up someone to start on the path to forming a relationship with us, then we need to step back and re-examine the training we have received, such as engagement with an emoji or a one-word comment will entice the Facebook algorithm to show our content to more people. Well, even if this is totally true, and more people do see our content, without a well thought out comment, such as at least 7+ words, it is totally true that no relationship is about to begin, nor much respect for the communication style of the person who was so brief with us, is it? Engage effectively every time. Use keywords from the post or YouTube video you are commenting on. See number 1 recommendation. Learn how to become an awesome engager in social media by checking out the number 1 recommendation in the description of this video. See how to connect with me on Facebook in the description also. Okay, let's take a look at how to comment in the best way. Okay, now let's take a look over here. We've got one person that left a like, and then there's my comment there. Okay, let's go down and look at a correct comment. This is from Tony Pomeray, and he says, "Well done, Grandpa. Yes, very informative and correct. 7 is now the standard." And then I replied to him with the following comment. This idea of at least 7+ words goes all the way back to the Dale Carnegie days. Here's a quote from Dale Carnegie. Then Tony comments again, more than 7 words. This is my reply. Then Shofi Alam, he makes his comment here, more than 7 words. And this is some more content from him and myself. You can have a read at this by pausing. Thanks for watching this video today. Check the information in the description below, and please remember to subscribe and click on the notification bell.